So, what is a data structure? It is just a specialized format for organizing data so that it can be efficiently stored, accessed, and modified. There are multiple ways we can organize data. For instance, consider these data points. We can simply arrange them in a linear fashion all together. Now this data structure is called an array. Or we can separate these data points and connect them using pointers. Now this structure is connected but no longer together, and this is known as a linked list. We can also arrange this in a non-linear fashion, something like this. Now this is called a graph. This data structure is non-linear. Now each data structure has its own advantages and use cases. For instance, an array can be used to represent a matrix. And blockchain uses a data structure quite similar to linked list. And graphs can be used to represent the connections between friends on a social network. Now, an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used to solve a particular problem. When a file is encrypted, there is an encryption algorithm that is working. When you use Google Maps to reach your destination, there is an algorithm finding the best path for you. And you are watching this video probably because YouTube is suggesting you using their recommendation algorithms. Now let's solve a real problem using an algorithm. So we have an array here, and the problem is to reverse it. The algorithm goes something like this. First, create two pointers, start and end. Second, swap the elements at those pointers. And third, increase the start pointer by 1 and decrease the end pointer by 1. And repeat these steps until both pointers overlap. Let's see this in animation. Now that we have a basic understanding of what data structures and algorithms really are, in the coming videos we will see all sorts of data structures and algorithms in detail